Yo, what is up, guys? I don't really do videos on this channel much, but something came in the video today from something came in the mail today from eBay, if you can see here. And this is, let me just do something here. This is a SMOK vape pen for super cheap off eBay. I want to prove to you that most of the time they're real. You have to do a little bit of research to make sure that they're real. Don't buy a scamming one. This comes with the pen, the cable, all this stuff. And, yeah, SMOK vape pen. I don't know what else to say. I got the rainbow color. Let's just get into this. Try to see if it's real and how good it is. So, this feels amazing to hold in my hand. I've been waiting forever for this. It felt like it was a year. And I'm about to open it finally, so. Oh, so the first thing I noticed is that this is pretty damn hard to open. But, I had to rip up the top there, which I'm not a fan of. Okay, so it's this one. Is there anything in here? Something in here. Oh, this is what I was talking about. This proves it's real. This little paper. This proves it's real. You can go on the SMOK app and scan it and prove it's real, which I actually will start. I actually will try to do that, but I can't really do that on video because I'm using my phone to film this, but this is proof that it's real right here. This proves it's real because you scan this and the app, the official SMOK app, will tell you that it's real. So that's what that is. We have a little guide here to tell us how to do it. I think I know how to do it. I'm not certain. And yeah, this is pretty big actually. It says, how big is the tank? Does it say? 90 grams, battery capacity, detector, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say what the size of the tank is on here. I might say it on here. It doesn't say. So this is a super cheap thing. It comes with 2 coils, which is nice because you always have now you have a backup tank if you need to. But I have 2 coils. It comes with a little charger cable here, which is always nice. I have a charger cable. You don't have to go buy a charger. It's pretty much a normal charger though. It's just a USB cable, like a phone charger cable. So, and it comes with this little ring. So if you don't know how to set one of these up, I can show you how to set one of these up. Here's the tank. Here's the lid. I don't know if it's called a lid, but that's pretty much everything. There's one little tank that's going to be left over in there. I dropped it. What the heck? What did I drop? Okay, there it is. We have a tank here. We have a coil. Like the coil thing here with the, I don't even know the terms for it. We have the rubber band to make it waterproof, and we have the lid here. So the first thing I'm noticing is, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it definitely is rainbow. Like, it's shiny. That's awesome. And you just put the ring around it right here, right? I'm pretty sure that's what you do. Every vape is different. Let me make sure. Okay, coil head, glass tube. Where does the rubber band go? Whatever, I think it goes there, doesn't it? I don't think it goes there. Where does it go? Whatever. We won't put the tank on there first. So this is the first step. You take this little tank thing and screw it in. So you just need to take this and just go like this. So wait, which way does it go? So there we go. It's in. Goes that way. This thing should be on top. I don't even know if it's charged. I think it's not charged. Whoa. It's burning the coil, so I better stop doing that. But it's smoking. And then I'm gonna take this here and you put this on top, obviously. Stop! I turned it off, I thought. 1, 2, 3. How do you... There, it's off. This is what we get here. I don't know if this rubber band goes anywhere. You can open that up too. But it's a pretty big fucking pen. Like, look at it. It's big. It's a nice little pen. It's not little, but I'm not certain where this goes. If I look on the box, I don't see anywhere that it goes. We could try saturating it now. Wow, this stuff really sticks together. Alright. God damn. It's really hard to get out of here. There we go. Jesus. Okay, so now we have this. We just need to put this back in there. Jesus Christ, this is so hard to set up. We put the coil in here. We get our juice. Which one are we gonna pick here? I'm gonna go with root beer. Root beer flavor juice. And first we're gonna saturate the coil and stuff. Just try to make it suck it all up there. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm saturating the Okay, so that's what we got. God damn. Jesus. Let me just wipe this up. So, we have this right here. Put the tank around it. Made a bit of a mess, huh? So usually you have to wait once ever you do this. So what is it at? I don't know how much. I think it's a. I know it's a pretty big tank. You can see that, but I don't know exactly what the measurements are. So far, it's not. Oh, I just spilled it. So far, it's not like leaking or doing anything bad. Dumb Liam. I got it all over. First of all, this has to sit and wait to saturate because it's the first time using it. So I'm gonna pause the camera and I'll be back. I'm also probably gonna check SMOK verification to make sure this is a real SMOK pen during that break. So I'll be back in a second. I've let this sit for 10 or 15 minutes. It hasn't been leaking. It hasn't been doing anything. It's just been saturating. It's working well. And it's working. It's just starting, so bear with me here. It might have not saturated enough. See, it's starting to grow. There we go. Holy crap. That's nice. And it tastes good too. These are big hits, okay? Dude, they're taking big ass hits, bro. Holy crap. This is nice, bro. This is nice. That wasn't too much. It's going nice. It's not rough. It's not leaking. It's working really nice. And I did check the SMOK verification, and it wouldn't scan. Like my camera was too blurry or something, so I couldn't get it to work. But even if this is a fake SMOK pen, it works just like pretty much as good as the real one. Like I just got a big ass. I've been getting big ass clouds and stuff. Like Jesus, there's smoke everywhere. Look at this. It's so big. Holy crap, it's so big. That was so big. Watch this. That one wasn't as big, but it's still fucking huge and it's thick as hell. I'm gonna take one more hit and do the biggest one. Oh, dude! It's so big. Jesus, I'm so happy, bro. Alright. See? It works like a motherfucker. So, should you buy this? Hell yes. Make sure you get a good one. But this thing works like magic. This is amazing, and I love this, and you should get it. Don't blame me if it fucks up. That was my unboxing and kind of a review of the SMOK pen, and I really enjoy it, and I think you should buy it. And that's amazing. So, yeah, that's all I got to say. That's so cool. I'm so happy it worked. Fine. That's amazing. And I'll see you guys next time. And peace out.